All right, it's a YouTube moment. It's a Roper Whitney Company PEX toe for soft steel, and we're going to be reducing these pieces of mild steel for a dryer vent. I can't find my hand crimper, so we came here to the fancy shop, and this guy's rolling it out on an antique machine from a turn-of-the-century factory, probably. 19 whatever.
What?
Yeah, really. 18. We love it. See, this is what we usually use. Where is it? Over here. I can't find mine. This is an amateur tool. You just do that. Squeeze the pair of pliers and makes a little crimp, reduces the size so you can stick it in something. This is an instructional video. I make instructional videos for YouTube. How to make bagels, how to make pancakes, how to cut a countertop and butcher it like I did yesterday. Yeah. Needed a second person to hold it and fell down and chipped a big corner of it. Oh well. Needs a little WD-40, I think.
Well, it's going into... Oh, I know what you mean.
The sleeve?
There's a guy...
Oh, it's a little stopper.
Yeah.
Of course. You don't use the thing very often, obviously. You don't have freeloaders like me coming around. Luckily, it doesn't really matter. It just looks ugly, but once it's inside the wall, nobody's going to care. I have to get one from China with a better guide. Wheels out of alignment. Looks like my countertop. It's a beautiful thing.
It almost like it's too small.
Wow.
Alright, you put one inside the way.
Beautiful. All right, we're done. Goodbye.